I knew that was coming. I could literally feel it coming. I'm a bad bitch, you can't kill me. Wait, where's my bronzer? Up my ass. Hi everyone. I feel like I look like Donatella Versace. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm looking a little bit different today. Hey guys, welcome to Hot Topic. I'd like to welcome the newest Instagram sensation, DEPOP. Oh my god! Follow me on Instagram. But yeah, as you can see, I'm looking very different. I wanted to change up my look, just have a bit of fun with makeup and hair. So if you do want to see like how I did this to myself and how I took myself from literally like 0 to 100 in about 30 minutes, then you can just carry on watching. Also, if you want to see like footage of me literally going insane, because I have a weird energy in me today. I don't know where it's come from, but I'm embracing it. Oh my god, you look like Iggy Azalea. I must come across as such a dickhead. I promise I'm not. Love you, bye. I've had a really bad I had my main practical college exam on Monday at college. And I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. We have to do oh my god. We have to do body art as well as hair and makeup, and I liked my hair and makeup, but I really didn't like my body art. Especially looking back at the photos, it literally looks like someone's pooed on her face. Oh my god, the most awkward thing ever though. It was so embarrassing. Basically, we had to do festival themed body art, so I was like, oh my god, yeah, like loads of glitter, do you know what I mean? Just went super over the top, and I used this special body glue and I literally put it everywhere. Like honestly, put this glue everywhere and really chunky glitter all over this poor girl who'd volunteered to be my model, which was like really nice of her, but I don't think she'll ever be a model again after that traumatizing experience. So anyway, my tutor's telling me, yeah, it's fine, just put it everywhere you need. This glue would not come off. This girl had to go into the shower at college and literally stand there for so long trying to soak it off, and she came in and her skin was like red raw from where she'd been scrubbing it, and it was still everywhere, and me and my friend Muna just looked at each other like, oh shit. Also, I feel like my skin's been really crappy recently. It's just been really textured and I feel like it's been sweating in the sun. If you want to be someone's body art model for an exam, just don't. Don't do it. Oh, I'm now gonna conceal using a concealer that is like 99.9% empty. Yeah, okay, that is just... They smell like paint. Okay, why is it burning a bit? Oh, we love a full coverage queen with no under eye skin left. I would scream if this like really broke me out. Well, actually, I'd probably cry, but I'm trying to turn myself into an Instagram baddie using freaking $1 makeup. Like, this could not be more of would you say metaphor or synonym? Synonym. What even is synonym? What is the definition of synonym?
Synonym means a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. For example, shut is a synonym of close.
Okay, let's try and blend this bad boy out. I could be wrong, this could be really good, and I could have just discovered the world's best, cheapest concealer. I honestly don't know how Instagram models do it, like dressing up and putting on a full face of I just almost burped and I was almost sick. Woo! Dressing up and putting on a full face of makeup every day to then just take photos of... Okay, that burned, but it stopped, so we're gonna carry on. Dressing up, putting on a full face of makeup, wearing a really bougie outfit, and being photo ready every single day, that shit must be draining. I am literally wearing the clothes I slept in last night and wore for the entirety of yesterday. She doesn't care. Oh god. I look like I've got no inner corner. I'm also gonna bring this over my eyelid just to double make sure that it will blind me. I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow now because I feel ugly. English. Everyone always asks what my Instagram...
What you do.
Do you know what? I don't think I should be filming today because I just can't function. Everyone asks why my Instagram name is Pepperoni Playboy, and it's actually a Mac DeMarco song, and if you haven't listened to Mac DeMarco, then no wonder you're depressed. Okay, actually, do you know what? I don't hate this concealer. Woo! And we have a cut crease. Yes, bitch! I would be doing winged eyeliner, but A, I can't, and B, I can't. So instead, I'm just gonna fill this in with white. Okay, that is probably one of the worst cut creases I've ever done, but we're gonna put on lashes, so not a problem, don't. Is this a literal joke? What the? What? That alarm is gonna make me go crazy. Oh, are you joking me? I glued the wrong... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. God, I will never get used to that feeling. I'm gonna film the other eye off camera, otherwise this is just gonna get so boring. What's everyone's opinion on Khloe Kardashian and is it Tristan? I don't know, he's irrelevant anyway. What's everyone's opinion on that whole situation? Because my heart breaks for Khloe, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, apparently the Yodel Boy has got a new song out. Should we have a listen to it? Mason Ramsey, here we go. So all the folks back home can see me. I don't hear any yodeling yet. Okay, first impressions. Loved the kid. I think he's great. I think he's, you know, obviously a very talented boy, but where's the yodeling? He's known for yodeling. I wanted like a yodeling. I was expecting a little bit more yodeling, not gonna lie. And similarly, why are you singing about being in love with a girl when you're like 10 years old? This ain't no Jacob Sartorius, Millie Bobby Brown shit over here. This is Mason Ramsey, okay? Let's not let the media destroy this boy. What is everyone's opinions on the Holly Boone situation? Now, fun fact, Holly Boone is actually subscribed to this YouTube channel. Personally, I think what she said was absolutely disgusting, and there is no excuse for it. There's no excuse for racism. There's no justification for it. No matter what sort of things you're going through in your life, there's nothing stopping you from being a nice person. That's like what I believe. But at the same time, I am not in a position to say whether it's acceptable or not, or whether she should be forgiven. Like, the people who should be forgiving her or deciding whether they want to forgive her or not are the people who she offended, like the people she made the racist tweets about. I am, like, you know, not in a minority, so therefore I don't have the right to comment on it, I don't think. So yeah, I'm not going to comment on it. All I'm going to say is that I think it is very unacceptable, and I hope that people learn from it, and I hope that Holly has learned from it, and I hope that she will never make the same mistake again. Thank you, Bindi. Okay, I'm not even in shot. Haha. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, I don't resemble the bronzeness and glowiness of Tammy Hembrow, so bronzer is gonna be my best friend. Also, I know I keep asking this, especially over on my Instagram, but who's going to Summer in the City? Because I'm hopefully gonna be there. And if I do go, I'm gonna see if I can try and get like a +1 ticket, so I can bring Will along, which will be so much fun. Probably not very fun for him because I don't know if he'd enjoy it or not. I said to him, I was like, if you don't want to go, like, don't come, but I think he's just being nice and saying yes. Just relationship thing. It's so weird, like, having a relationship that I share online. I've never in my life done that before, but it's actually like a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna really hate it, but I have a very unproblematic relationship. I'm very lucky in that we don't really argue. Like, we do argue like from time to time and whatever, but every normal couple does. Why have I just ruined my face? I've just absolutely butchered my face. Like, I'm supposed to be an Instagram flawless baddie right now, but I look like a grandma after a heavy night out. Do you think grandmas go on nights out? No Insta baddie. Okay, why can't I go? No Insta baddie makeup would be complete without a blinding highlight. So I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's King Tut. Oh yeah, boy. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh ho ho ho. Oh. My dog's gonna be downstairs like, what is she doing? Is this or is this not the most beautiful glow you have ever seen? Am I right, ladies? Looking for Lewis? Oh yeah. I've got a Polaroid up on my wall from when I met Lewis like 3 years ago or something at BeautyCon, and then like he messaged me on Instagram recently being like, oh my god, I watch your videos, and I was like, sorry. Crazy stuff how you can watch someone on YouTube for so long and then they watch you. It's like, what? Now, if you haven't had lip injections, are you really an Instagram model? Because you're just kind of a B-Tech Kylie. Obviously, I don't want to look like I've got trout lip. Overlining is going to be my best friend right now. This is not natural, nor is it good overlining. I'm just giving that effect, you know, so don't come for me on that, please. Okay, now I'm gonna go and get my weave did. No, I've basically got a wig from the brand, hold on. I got sent a wig from the brand She Love Wig. How fun is this? I literally just wanted to like mess around with it. It looked like it's gonna be so much fun to try on. So I'm gonna go off camera now and like do my best to put this on and also give you a couple of tricks as to how I make them look a little more convincing. I've probably been out of focus this whole time, but this camera doesn't have autofocus, thank you. Oh my god, you look like Iggy Azalea.
You look just like Iggy Azalea.
I take some concealer and I put it onto this bit here, onto like the hairline of the wig, and kind of bring it down a bit. This way, it just helps to create a more convincing hairline. This wig is from She Love Wig. They make amazing synthetic wigs, so they're pretty affordable as far as wigs go. I think they're all around kind of like $100 point, but they always have sales on and stuff like that. So definitely go over and check out their website. As you can see, it does look super real and it does look super convincing. If you want to make it look even more real and even more convincing, you can put a little bit of dry shampoo into the roots and it just takes a bit of the shine out, but I personally don't want to mess this wig up by putting dry shampoo in it. So yeah, they're so easy to put on. Obviously, if you want them to last in the long run, you can use wig glue or whatever, but I've literally just done this with the clips that are already on the inside of the wig and the wig cap that they also sent me, which is really good for kind of like flattening your hair down. But yeah, it's fun. It's like fun to see what you look like with different colour hair, obviously. You know, the girl on Twitter, she's like, is you not having a good day? Because if you wasn't having a good day,
Bitch, if you ain't having a good day, sit there and ask yourself why. Is the shit that bad that you can't have you a good day, bitch?
But yeah, thank you so much to She Love Wig for sponsoring this video. It's been so much fun to work with them. That is the end of the video. I really hope you did all enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can also subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Make sure you click the notification bell if you want to carry on seeing my videos. I knew that was coming. I could literally feel it coming. Click the notification bell if you still want to see my videos in your subscription box and you want to get a little notification every time I upload. I have all my social media handles in the description box down below. And yeah, that is pretty much everything. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all with all my heart. Just the amount of support and new people that are here recently has been incredible. So yeah, I love you all so much and I will see you very soon. I really hope I haven't had lipstick on my teeth during that. Bye!